All right, folks, what we have here is a 2012 Toyota Rav4 with a 4-cylinder. What we're going to do is we're going to replace the air filter. This is the Fram model, CA10169. And it's going to go right here in this air filter box. Okay, right here in this air filter box. It's just going to be one clip, 2 clips, lift it up out of the way, and we're going to peek in there and see if there's any leaves or anything else in there that needs to be changed. There's nothing else to remove on the sides. Everything is nice and loose. So I'm going to set you up over here. And let's get going. All right. Take the first one out. Second one out. Grab this on the side. Should be able to lift it up out of the way. Enough for you to clear the filter. Okay, this is what the filter looks like. Oh yeah. Tad filthy. There you go. Filthy it is. Let's take a look inside. Oh yeah, look inside. It's got some leaves in there. So we're gonna have to get a vacuum in there and vacuum it up. Otherwise you can blow it out. Okay, there's a screen up here. So if you blow it out, it's not going to get up in there. All right, so we got a little portable blower or a little portable vacuum. See which one I'm going to choose. I am going to choose the blower option. I'm going to go with my rigid portable blower. Ready? Here we go. What a fantastic job. Great tool. Let's continue now. Off to the filter. Here it is right here. It's shaped with a little corner cut out. But that's exactly the way we're going to go right back in. Put it up in the back. This is going to sit squarely in there. As soon as you get your hand in there. There you go. And everything else is just going to sit right in. There's a little latch back there. You just slide it in. You can hear it snap in. Snap 1. Snap 2. Give it a nice tug. All right. Make sure that all your wiring and all your connectors are in there and you didn't disturb anything. And you're good to go. Look at that. Huh? Look at that filter. Yep. Change it up, people. Thanks for watching. Ciao.